Hello students, today we will learn a very important topic, how to find the midpoint of a line segment. For example, A and B. A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, and P is the midpoint, which is xy. Now, if I have to find out what are the coordinates of the midpoint, I have to use the formula. And what the formula says, x is equals to x1 plus x2 over 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 over 2. Now, let's take an example. If I will consider A and B as minus 3 comma 6 and B as 5 comma 2, and I want to find out what is my midpoint. So in this case, first of all, I will consider point A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. Then I will just simply put the values in the formula. So the value of x is, as I said, x1. x1 is minus 3, x2 plus 5 over 2, which is equals to 2 over 2, which is equals to 1. Now y, we said y1 plus y2 over 2. So y1 is 6 plus y2 is 2 over 2, which is equals to 8 over 2, which is equals to 4. So the coordinates of the midpoint are 1, comma 4. You can see that they have given you the graph and they are asking that what are the coordinates of the midpoint. So in such case, what we need to do, we have to first find out what are the coordinates of A and B from the graph. So the coordinates of A is 1 and 5 and the coordinate of B is 5 and 1. Now I need to find out what is the midpoint. So to find out the midpoint, I will write down this as x1, y1 and this one I will write as x2, y2. Now suppose my midpoint is pxy. So what would be the value of x? X would be x1 plus x2, which is 5 over 2, which is equals to 6 over 2, which is equals to 3. Similarly, if I need to find out what is the value of y, what I'll do, y is equals to y1, which is 5, and y2, which is 1 over 2, which is again equals to 6 over 2, which is equals to 3. So the midpoint, which is P, is 3 comma 3. That means this is the midpoint, which is 3 comma 3. So this is how we can solve the question where they have given us the graph, but not the coordinates of point A and B.